Hello guys! Good afternoon. Welcome back to my channel. I know na napadaan kayo sa video ko kasi na-watch ninyo yung video ko nung nag-viral sa interview ko sa Teleperformance. So, thank you so much. And sa mga hindi pa nakakilala sa akin, hi, my name is Mama Love. Mama Love Vlog yung channel ko. And it's been so long that I haven't uploaded a video and I'm sorry for that because I have a lot of things to do that needed my attention. Most especially is nagkasakit yung mama ko, so I really have to make sure that everything is okay and okay si mama. So good thing that my mother is now recovering and thank you for that. So I have now the time to upload some videos kasi kahit hindi ako nakapag-upload ng video guys, I still keep on receiving some messages and comments through Facebook and also YouTube na regarding updates kung ano na. So guys, ito pa rin ako. I am a type of person na nahihirapan pa rin mag-speak ng English fluently. And hindi ko kinakahiya yan. Siguro mayroong na-improve but not totally bonggang-bonggang improve, no? But hindi naman ako nakikipagkompetensya kasi what I have now, the skills that I have now is I'm happy and I will not stop here. So gusto kong skills ko is dagdag lang, no? So saan na ba ako ngayon? Ilang taon na ba ako sa BPO? So a lot of you guys are asking if saan ako ngayon. So guys, sa last video ko, I'm still working here at Amazon. So, luckily, umabot ako ng 2 years. So, magto 2 years na ako ngayong July 29. Kasi na-hire ko noong July 29 of 2024. So, almost 2 years now. And I'm happy na nandito ako. Kasi Amazon provided privileges na wala sa mga previous company ko. Especially work from home. Forever work from home because wala kaming office dito sa Cebu. And nagsusuporta kami sa seller side. So, we are senior seller support associate. Meron kaming customer service, pero on buyer side sila. Meron silang office dito sa Cebu. Pero sa customer side, kami wala kaming office dito kasi yung mga leaders namin, yung managers namin, yung account namin is naka-base sa Manila. So, ang dami kong sasabihin tungkol sa Amazon, but I will do separate videos for that kasi hahaba na yung video natin. So, guys, I want to inspire you kasi isa akong proof na hindi hadlang yung pagiging not fluent in English para hindi ka makapasok sa isang BPO industry kasi proof ako. Kasi nga nakapasok, di ba? I've tried and then nakapasok. So naniwala sa akin yung Teleperformance. So of course, sa pagdaan ng taon, gusto mong mag-explore ng ibang company. So kaya umabot ako dito sa Amazon. So guys, I want you to keep on like applying sa mga BPO industry. Huwag kayong mag-surrender. Yes, pwede kong ma-discourage, tanong yung sarili mo kung ano yung, what's something wrong, what's going on, bakit hindi ako nakapasa. Yes, you can do that, but please do not stop applying to different companies because I know and I believe that one day, merong isang company na maniniwala sa iyo. Basta, the advice you could give is be true to yourself when it comes to answering those questions kasi gusto ng interviewer na genuine yung answer mo. So, dapat be true to yourself lang para hindi ka mawala. So, I've been there. Kaya feel ko kayo guys. So, please do not stop surrender. I mean, do not stop surrender pa. Stop surrender pa. Ang dami naman. So, guys, huwag kayong mag-surrender ha para ma-inspire kayo guys. Kung yung salary ko before sa Teleperformance, let's say basic ko doon is 14,000. Yung salary ko dito sa Amazon guys is double, mas more pa. So, mas more pa yung salary ko, guys. So, I will not disclose salary ko dito sa Amazon kasi bawal nga i-disclose yan. But, gusto kong ma-inspire kayo, guys. So, imagine, yung isang tao, ako yung tao na natatakot before, hindi fluent yung English, ganyan. Pero, guys, I'm proud to say na yung salary ko dito sa Amazon, guys, is ranges lang yung ibigay ko, ha. So, yung salary ko dito guys, basic salary ko dito guys is 30 up more. Charot, 30 up more. And hindi ako para ipagbayabang yon sa inyo, but I want you to inspire. I want you na ma-inspire kayo na from yung video na nakita nyo during sa interview ko hanggang ngayon, di ba? Hindi mag-matter. Imagine. Kasi nagtatrabaho naman tayo because of the salary, right? So, wag mo nang pansinin pa yung English mo dyan. Dito na tayo sa mga salary, no? So guys, sa Amazon pala is hindi na ako nagtitake ng calls. So, chats and email lang kami dito. So, again, guys, dapat ma-inspire kayo, ha? Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a great day.